Isaac's in the lead. Aiden not too far behind. One of these guys will make it. Aiden. Sean rolling down Isaac. Minute down.
The top riders are Isaac Handler in first place, followed by Sean Coach in second place, followed by Aiden Coach in third place.
Sean and Isaac. Sean with the pass, over on it. Same lap time, so maybe we can keep it seamless. Aiden's not too far behind. What do you think of that? Ooh, Isaac, nice pass on Sean for the lead. Nose his tail. You guys see the leaders coming to the room. Sean back to the point. Isaac right there. We got Sean, Isaac, Aiden, Christian, Ben, and Don.
After 2 minutes, the top riders are Sean Coach in first place, followed by Isaac Handler in second place, followed by Aiden Coach in third place.
Oh. Sean gets the wall right on. That's Isaac goal. For Isaac, 10-1 for Sean. He's slowly rolling the back. 2.5, 10-3 for Isaac. Sean's 10-4. Here's that pink nose, silver purple, followed by Sean and this traditional multi-colored race.
The top riders are Isaac Handler in first place.
Oh, he gets it on.
In second place,
Giving Sean a chance to catch up with Sean being caught. Isaac going to either go, Isaac will go. Sean getting the pass on Isaac. He's still battling for that in-room spot. Isaac all over Sean. A minute 15 left. Christian and Aiden, you guys are staying out battle on third.
After 4 minutes, the top riders are Sean Coach in first place, followed by
Oh no,
followed by Christian second and third place.
Get around Sean. Isaac gets it on the box, so get on Sean gets the pass again. 45 seconds to go. And you're going to win this one, guys. Isaac right on Sean. Christian, these are the leaders. Let them go if you can. Isaac take the inside. Sean take it back. 25 seconds left. Isaac all over Sean. Over the wall on the straightaway. Isaac looking for the inside. Ooh, Isaac is wrong on the box. That should give Sean his move. He needs to win this. 10 seconds left. He keeps it clean. He should have it. Isaac second, Christian third, Aiden fourth. You two are battling for that third spot.
Isaac Handler right. Ben second right. Christian second right. Aiden Coach right. Sean back.
Sean gonna win that move on for the A main. Isaac second, Christian, Aiden down and Ben.
The race is completed.